I was trying to see if I could get some good shots currently in the airport. Um, I'm looking. I don't really see nothing right now, but just looking around. But don't think that you can't get some good shots in the airport because there's always people, and sometimes they have a lot of leading lines or interesting things you can take a shot of. So right now, currently, I'm just trying to see what's going on, see exactly what you can see until my flight lands or my flight leaves. But they have some interesting composition some places, in certain places or whatever. People getting off their flight, things like that. So you might can find some good stuff. If you look behind me, you can see these lights up here. They got some funky kind of lights. They got some color to it. So that can be an interesting perspective. Also, if you look up at the ceiling, it has some great composition there also. So I might want to take a picture of that later on and see exactly how I can do it. You guys will see that. But yeah, don't be afraid to come to an airport if you're ever traveling. There's always some composition and good subjects to shoot while you're in the airport. Actually, it's good to do it because it kind of passes up time when you're waiting on the flight or in between flights if you have a long delay. So, yeah, just look for some composition. There's always people walking around. There's always subjects. So, and it's cool and funky to do. So, I like to do it from time to time when I am traveling to see, you know, some of the pictures of how they come out. Also, as good measure and a quick tip, look for opposites. Look for hand gestures. Look for things that show decisive moments. I love shooting hand gestures on people that's, talking or things like that because it gives you, it tells you, it tells you a story. So, just a little quick tip when you're in the airport, you can do those things also.